Did you know vehicle crashes are the leading cause of deaths among teens in the United States? Some factors that contribute to those deaths are distracted driving and a lack of seatbelt usage.
The Capital Region Transportation Safety Coalition and the Louisiana Highway Safety Commission, in partnership with the Louisiana School of the Deaf and Visually Impaired, would like to bring to you these important safety reminders to help improve young drivers' safety on our roadway. Seatbelt usage among children, teens, and adults is the most effective way to save lives and to help reduce fatalities and serious injuries in crashes. All children should ride in the back seat, properly restrained until they have reached the age of 13. Distracted driving is responsible for more than 58% of teen crashes. Seatbelts prevent drivers and passengers from being ejected during a crash. You are 30 times more likely to be ejected if you are not properly restrained.
Your seatbelt should fit low, across your hips, below the stomach, over your collarbone, and away from your neck. Make sure your seatbelt crosses over your chest. In Louisiana, from 2017 through 2019, there were 481 fatal crashes and 1,181 serious injury crashes caused by distracted or inattentive driving. Distractions include anything that takes your attention away from the task at hand, which is driving. What are distractions? Texting, talking to other passengers, eating, drinking, daydreaming, grooming, loud music, and adjusting your GPS, just to name a few. These distractions are preventable. Keeping your eyes on the road can help save your life.
As we continue to navigate through our new normal, let's be mindful of the rules of the road. Just remember, it can wait. Eyes up, phone down, buckle up. Every trip, every seat, every time.